Today on Trucks and Junk, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate struts on your SUV. So now if you have this problem right here, I'm going to show you how to fix that today. So what causes that problem is these struts right here, they wear out over time, but they're very easy to change. So what I'm using today is I ordered a new set of struts off of Amazon for my year, make, and model, and they only cost me 20 bucks. They're not that expensive at all. The only tool you're going to need to do this is a flathead screwdriver. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is prop it up from one side, or have somebody hold the liftgate for you while you change these out. Now on the opposite side of the vehicle that's not being supported with the stick, we're going to remove this metal clip using the flathead screwdriver. We're going to pry it into the bottom of the clip. There's a little notch cut out right there for this to be able to fit. And you're going to pry it underneath there, and you're going to pop this metal clip out like that to where the screwdriver fits underneath of it. And then you're just going to wiggle and pull. And that's how that comes off on this side. And now you're going to do the same for this one on the top that's connected to the hatch itself. You're going to pry your little screwdriver underneath there. You're going to pop that out, and you're going to pull it off just like that. It's that simple. Okay, now that you have the old one off, all you do now is you grab the new one, you line this up to the pivot ball, and all you got to do is just push, and they snap on just like that. Wow. Locked in. Same thing with this one down here. Now the new ones are a lot stiffer and they're to length, so what you're going to do is you're going to have to lift up the tailgate and then push that one out. Just this one shock alone is enough to hold up this liftgate. Even though that one shock will hold it up, now with the help of this one, we're going to go ahead and be safe anyway, and we're going to prop this side up, or still have somebody holding the tailgate while we do the other side, just to be safe. Now that we've done that, we're going to use the flathead screwdriver just like we did on the other side. We're going to pry that open and then wiggle it off just like so. And now the same thing with the top on this side. We're going to pop it off. Now the new shock, and we're just going to pop it on here first, just like so, and then lift on the lift gate and pop it on there. And now as you can tell, I can remove the stick. The lift gate's staying up like it should. And now it's shut just like it should. And now when I open it, it'll open itself just like it should. And that's what we want to achieve. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something from it. If you don't mind, please consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys.